Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Elantra trunk without a key. Start by ensuring the car is off and in park, then check for a cabin pass-through or rear seat release. Fold down the rear seats if possible and feel for an emergency trunk lever or access panel. If no interior access exists, inspect the trunk lock for a manual key slot or consider a slim gym or locksmith for safe entry. For interior release methods, check behind the center armrest or fold down the rear seats to create a pass-through opening. Some Elantra models include a dedicated trunk release lever near the driver or in the glove box. Pull that lever firmly while someone else applies slight pressure to the trunk lid. If you find the emergency glow-in-the-dark release, pull it to unlock. Take your time and avoid forcing components to prevent damage. When interior access fails, examine the trunk exterior for a hidden key slot under a trim cover or near the badge, and use the physical key from your fob to unlock it. If no slot exists, carefully apply gentle pressure to the trunk while trying the latch to see if it releases. Avoid prying aggressively. Instead, use thin tools near the seam while protecting the paint. If unsure, call a locksmith to prevent costly damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.